have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the about phone section. Scroll down to the bottom, find the last line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now in the system section advanced you can find developer options, and here they are. If you want to disable these options, just tap here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.